It's a good book. It's the third award-winning book. And while it is written, it has been written with women in mind, men do know this. The principles apply to you as well. False expectations, period. Simple. You don't know that that's going to happen, but you're expecting it. If you're bold, you're going to take that risk because you have courage. If you're bold, you're going to take that risk because you have conviction. If you're bold, you're going to take that courage because you know who you are. That's what we're talking about. And I know each one of you have already got that. I'm only just talking to myself, right? The reason I want you to do that before you leave this conference is because the book that you have in hand is a 7-step process. If you follow the process of the 7 steps, at your own time, of course, you're going to come up with an action plan that allows you to confront your limits from now on.